I'm going to take you through a journey of a mysterious microorganism with some unique features that have kept our scientists at bay. What do you think this organism is? Well, let me give you some hints. I can see that it doesn't have any sharp corners. It has more of a curved structure. This leads us to think that it is an animal cell because of its shape. Another characteristic is that it is green in color, which means it has chloroplast filled with chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is only unique to plant cells. So does that mean this organism is a plant cell now? How about another hint? This organism has a flagellum, which is a tail-like structure that helps it to move. So this is another characteristic of an animal cell. Wow, this is getting quite complicated. The final hint is that this organism obtains its food using photosynthesis, and the ability to photosynthesize is only in plant cells. So is this microorganism a plant cell or an animal cell? Well, guess what? It's neither. This microorganism is called Euglena, and the Euglena cannot be placed in the plant or animal kingdom, so Euglena is classified under the kingdom Protista, which mainly comprises mostly of single-celled organisms like bacteria, algae, and fungi. The Euglena has 59 kinds of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and fatty acids, which are all essential for humans to survive. It was shown that continuous intake of Euglena may contribute to the adjustment of the autonomic nervous balance of soccer players and improve athletic performance. Euglena has a stigma, also known as an eye spot, but the stigma is not an actual eye, it just helps it to detect light and to photosynthesize. Scientists have found out that a hydrolyzed Euglena extract may enhance the immunity of the skin, prevent skin problems, and improve the moisturizing power. It is also said that Euglena powder may contribute to the suppression of influenza virus growth. Euglena are found worldwide and are both freshwater and saltwater species depending on the habitat type. They remain fairly active and are often found at various depths below the surface of the water. Euglena are both autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are organisms that obtain energy and nutrients by harnessing sunlight through photosynthesis. Heterotrophs cannot produce their own food. They rely on other organisms. So junior scientists, I ask you, will finding out more about the Euglena help us in the future? For example, advance our medical treatments and discover new organisms on planet Earth? Will you be the one to discover another mysterious organism that already exists that we know nothing about?